Welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to show you HR and payroll software. This software is designed specially for small and medium-sized companies, and it has been designed in a very simple and easy way to use. In this video, I am going to show you the scope and the features of the software. If you are using an Excel sheet to enter and maintain your employee information, then this software is the best replacement for you. It will make your work more organized and will provide you all kinds of reports on a single click. So you will save your time, your data will be organized and kept in one place, and it will be protected. We will give two logins to use. One login you can give to your junior staff so he can enter the information, but he will not be able to edit that information. One login you can keep with yourself to edit any information on or to track down what the junior staff is doing. We can make further logins as per the requirement. The whole application is customizable, so we will do customizations as per your needs. So let's get started. First of all, I will log out and let you know how you can log into the application. Visit our website eqlsolution.com and click this login button. Enter your user ID and password and login. This is a very secure and confidential login ID and password. Okay, so this is the home page of the application. It has many modules like accounting module, invoicing module, hotel management. So in this video we are going to focus on employee and payroll management module. Let me click on employee master to show you the employee information which has been entered in the system. Different kind of reports will show you the different kind of information related to the employees. For example, if I want to search an employee from marketing department, so I can do so by this filter. If I click on this edit sign, you can see how comprehensive way the employee information has been entered. Employee basic information, other information, annual leave balance information, contact detail, salary and bank information, job end information, and who has edited this information at the last. You can click this print button to print all the employee information on a page. Your company logo, company name, and company address will come in this report. The reports are very easy to use. You can apply different kind of filters. You can download the data at any time into various downloadable formats. For example, if I want to see all the employees from finance department, I can apply filter just like this, just like an Excel sheet. If I want to search the birthday calendar, the system will show me all the upcoming birthdays of the employees, so I can wish them in advance. The application is capable of calculating leave balances for the employees. Just click on leave balance and ticket information. This report will show you the accumulated leave balance for the employees as of date, and it also show you the ticket accrual. Let me show you how. For example, the employee basic information will come in front of you. You can set the leave balance start date and the opening leave balance amount. Okay, yearly annual leaves taken by the employees, which the system will calculate, and this is the leave balance for all the employees. Let me edit any employee information. These are the parameters. Employee leave balance, these are the parameters you can set for the employees, and the system will start calculating the leave balance for the employee. Whenever he will go on annual vacation, the leave balance will be auto deducted. The ticket accrual also system is calculating. Whenever you will enter a leave request for the employee, you can also set the option like ticket paid. If you click that option, okay, system will record that on this date the ticket has been paid, and from this date the system will calculate the accrual. For example, if an employee is entitled to receive one ticket in 1 year, so from this date system will calculate the period and will show you here in after 1 year the ticket accrual will come one. Enter the leaves for your employees in the system to keep a track of it. For example, if you click on employee leaves, this report will show you all the leaves which has been entered in the system for all of your employees. If you want to search all the leaves for a particular employee, you can do so like this. If you click on edit sign, it will show you all the leave details for this employee. The right hand side system is showing you that in a period of 1 year, how many times and which kind of leave this employee has been taken. The leave calendar will show you all the employees are on leave for that particular month. When the employee will resume duty, you can click the resume date or joining date for him. Once you are ready, click on the save button. The system will calculate all the leave deductions. For example, if I change this leave request to sick leave and click on the save button, the system will calculate the deduction for 7 days for this particular employee. You can set the company policy or the company rules for the leave deduction. Let me show you how. Click on the home page and click on the leave rules. This is the screen where you can define your leave rules and the system will start deducting the salary whenever you enter a leave request for the employees. Let me show you how. For example, if you are defining the sick rule policy, you can define like if the employee who has a job type management, if he go on sick leave from 0 to 365 days, there will be no deduction for him. All the employees who has a job type like permanent will go on sick leave from 0 to 2, there is no deduction. For permanent kind of employees, if they go on leaves in a period of 1 year from 3 to 12 days, there will be 50% deduction. This is how you can define the rules and policies for the leave deduction and the system will start deducting the leaves. Holiday calendar is also a very important option. Before start entering employee leaves, you should enter a holiday calendar. All upcoming national holidays you should enter in this system using this option. For example, for the month of August, we have defined one holiday. Let's say we have another holiday on 21st of August. So what we will do on 21st of August, we will mark a day as a national holiday, whatever the reason is. Okay, once we will save this information, the holiday will be marked, and when we will go again to the employee leaves, okay, and we select the dates where the employees are going on their vacation, and if the national holiday is in between, is coming in between, so it will be marked as a national holiday. See, like this. The system has an option to track employee loans. Whenever employee has taken a loan from the company, you can set the installment for this employee and automatically the installment amount will be deducted from the payroll. For example, Nadia Ali. If you edit the information and the system will show you that employee Nadia Ali has taken a loan from the company and she will be deducting 5,000 for 12 months. This is the loan deduction schedule which you can change at any time. For example, the employee requests you that this particular month I am not paying you the full money, or I will pay you half, or whatever the reason is or whatever the case is, you can change the date or you can change the amount. So whenever you will run the payroll, automatically the loan installment will be included in the payroll and auto deducted. Most important part in the HR and payroll module is the salaries. If I click on the payroll for the period of March, okay, this is the screen from where I can generate the salaries for the employees. There are few notifications which are very important. It will give me a list of employees who are supposed to join duty and the joining date is not entered in the system. So I'll be better in a position before making the payroll. I can make sure that employee has came back from the vacation or the vacation has been extended. The other notification is the employees who are hired during the period for which I am making the payroll. This is the payroll detail where you can see each and every information is coming automatically. I just need to click this generate payroll button. All the taxes, all the loans, adjustments, leave deductions will come automatically. If I want to add any monthly adjustment, I can click this pencil sign for that particular employee, put the adjustment like my minus 5,000 deduction due to any reason, make save. So this 5,000 will be deducted for that particular employee whenever I'll make the payroll. If I click on this print payroll report, the report will come like this. The company logo, the company name and address will be changed accordingly. I can also print the salary slip for the employees. This is how I can print the salary slip for the employees. As I have told you that all kind of adjustments or customizations in this software are possible. Just discuss with us the requirements and we'll make the customizations in the software for you. So whenever you start using the software, we'll make sure that you are taking the maximum advantage. All the reports are downloadable into Excel format. All the reports you can make sorting, and all the reports has the filter, like if you wish to search a particular employee, you can do so. If you want to visit our website, again you can visit eqlsolution.com, where we have all the products with their demos available. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much for watching it.